Hello, today I'm in Kia Rio. In this video I'll show you how to connect your smartphone with Android Auto wirelessly. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and now go to Setup. Enter Device Connection, Phone Projection and select Add New. Now go to Settings and enable Wi-Fi for phone projection. Now go back, select Add New and now select your smartphone. Select the car from the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone. Confirm. Now tap Next, OK, and go to Android Auto. And it's done. Thanks to Android Auto, you can go to Google Maps, Spotify, make phone calls, go to settings, use voice assistant, and check some apps like YouTube Music, weather, and many more. To turn off Android Auto, press Kia icon. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.